Hello and welcome to my channel. Katie here from Katie's World. In this video, I'm actually going to do a walkthrough of the Graphic 45 Woodland Friends collection. If you are watching this today, is December 5th, Saturday, December 5th, 2020 is when this video will be posted, and there will be a link in the description below this video to my shop where you can actually pick up this collection right now. After this date, I can't make any promises that it's going to still be there. I do have an introductory offer of 10% off if you order it today. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I'm just going to briefly show you what's included, and then I'm going to do a flip through of the paper pads. So we have this beautiful chipboard. It says the world is yours to explore. There's a beautiful little butterfly there. The illustrations are just gorgeous. Little deer, you make my world happy. There's a little owl, little squirrels there, so cute. Little bunny. Just a beautiful collection. This would actually make a really nice baby album if you have a baby's room and little woodland creatures. This is so cute. Here's the ephemera pack. Now I will go ahead and open this up and do and show you these individually as well after we do the paper. And then you have a die cut pack. I love the die cut pads. I'm so glad they brought those out. And they have an 8x8 pad, which is all the same prints, just on a smaller scale. We'll go through that. And a 12x12 patterns and solids. I love that they did this. They used to make these in 6x6, but I am just so happy that they have done 12x12s instead now, because you can get so much out of it. Just beautiful, especially for those that you do 12x12 layouts. It's really nice. And then here's the collection pack. So in the collection pack, you do receive the 12x12 papers. Let's see, it says 2 each of 8 double-sided 12x12 papers, and then 1 each of 2 6x12 cover weight stickers. So let's go ahead and open this up. I apologize for the glare from my light. Okay, so this is just the cover sheet. It's got some little templates on here you can use if you'd like, or what I like to do is even use the cover itself. Just images are just beautiful. Okay, so let's start with here. You get 2 sheets, and this is just breathtaking. It's really gorgeous. I hope you can see that in there. Okay, I'm going to turn the sheet over. This is the back. Oh, look at this. I haven't even looked at this yet. This is the first time I'm actually seeing it in person. I love these little mushrooms. Oh, so cute. And the deer. Just beautiful. Okay, in the back. Oh, really nice green here. All the little animals and the trees, a little fence in the background. Just gorgeous. Oh, and then we have the bunnies. Look at the cute little bunnies. I'm telling you, this would make a beautiful baby album or baby layout. I think I might have to do something like that. Look at this pink. It's like a coral. It's more like a coral. Nice accent piece. Oh, and then we have these beautiful cut aparts. These are great to just cut out and slip them in like little inserts if you have little pockets, or maybe pop up and accent a page, or even make cards. This would make beautiful card front panels. Here's the back. This is a nice forest green. Oh, this looks like a quilt. This is beautiful. So this is nice as is, or even cutting this out and making little elements or little photo mats on your page. Beautiful pinks and greens here. I'm not sure how the colors are showing up on the video. I know it's not the same as in person, but hopefully this gives you a good idea. This is beautiful. Look at the butterfly in there. The detail work that they do. It's just amazing. Oh, and look at these leaves. This is just a really nice foliage. Like just some leaves for a background. Great accenting. You can do little border strips on your page or album. And just little matting. I love that piece right there. Oh, look at the little squirrels. So cute. It says, have fun, explore, love much, enjoy it all, friends. Have fun, be free, smile, be curious. Little birds in the nest. In the back. Oh, more little squirrels on a nice blue. Really nice. And here we have some more cut aparts. Woodland friends. Keep on dreaming, little raccoon. The world is yours to explore. Be curious, explore. These are beautiful. See, it's hard to get them all in frame. Oh, there we go. You can see that. In the back, oh, a little fox. So this is a bunch of little foxes. How cute. Little flowers in the background running through the field. Okay, so that's for all the papers. And then you have the cardstock stickers. These are beautiful. The colors are vibrant and gorgeous. Very rich in color. Like I said, you can pick this up in my shop today. If you're watching when I post this video, I have an introductory offer. Please go check that out. Okay, so now let's go through the patterns and solids. So now this one, we have a little, see if I can get this. There we go. Okay, so this, I'm not going to tear these out. Let's see if I can do this in the past. So beautiful blue, all the critters. Now, so you get 1, 2. Okay, so you get 2 of the print. There's this nice solid blue on the back. This blue gingham. So you get 4 of the solids, the blue, but you get 2 different patterns. Oh, there's the greens now. What I love about these patterns and solids is that it's all, I think monotone, if that's the word. It's all the same color, but beautiful, beautiful pattern on there. And here's the pink. So it's the same prints, just in different colors that go with the collection. Great accents. There's the brown, beautiful brown. And the flowers. I love this flower print. Okay, so there's the patterns and solids. Again, you can use the cover sheet. Like cut out the little bunnies. These strips here make nice accents. You can use everything. Okay, so now the 8x8 paper pad. Now this is the same. So this is just going to be a quick little flip through. It's just the same as the large 12x12 sheets, but you get 3 of each sheet. You get 1, 2, 3. It looks like 8. The other one was the same. Maybe you get more. You get 3 sheets of all 8x8 double-sided. Oh, so okay, the 12x12. You get 2 of each sheet, and this you get 3 of each sheet. That's really nice. I'm just gonna do really quick so you can see the scale of it. And cut aparts are smaller. It's really nice for cards or inserts in little mini albums or pages. I'm just doing this quickly since you already saw the 12x12. I just love this because it scales it down real nice. You can do a little 8x8 album, a little 6x6 mini. So those images are scaled down for you to fit your needs, which is wonderful. And the cut parts. Okay, so now let's see. I showed you the chipboard in the beginning. Let me go ahead and open up the ephemera pack real quick. Okay, so let's start with the large. There's 4x6 and 3x4 cards. They're just beautiful illustrations. I just can't get over this collection. It's absolutely gorgeous. And the backs just as equally stunning. So this one is 2 little squirrels. It says, everyone needs a friend. Oh, that would make a beautiful card. And look at the back. You could even send this as a postcard. Wow. This is gorgeous. Just gorgeous. So you get 2 of those. Little deers. Flowers, beautiful. Oh, breathtaking. The world is yours to explore. Beautiful florals there. You make my world happy. These are great journaling cards for a mini album or a page. It looks like the same. Okay, so this actually, oh, it's a little different. Very similar. The backing on that. So you have some that are vertical and these are horizontal. All creatures great and small. The world is yours to explore. Woodland friends. Oh, I love this one with the little deer. Little bunnies there. Okay, and then the small 4x4 ones. Okay, be wild. A little journaling card. Little squirrel says explore. Dear friend, that's a nice little note. Be curious. Oh, in the back, simply enjoy it all with a little butterfly. Beautiful. Keep on dreaming. Oh, that's a really nice one. I could just see a baby picture with that. The baby sleeping. Good journal. There, you can tell I really want to make a little baby album with this. I might. You might see one. We'll see. Dear friend with the mushrooms. I love the mushrooms. Oh, so cute. Everyone needs a friend. And the little bunnies. Oh, so cute. You make my world happy. Oh, that'd be a nice little. This would be a great on a gift. Like a little, make a little tag out of it on a present. Little to and from tag, dear friend. A little bit. Oh, I love that. I love these little journaling spots with the images. It's beautiful. Okay, so there's the ephemera pack right there. Now the die cut. So they give you a little picture on the back, but we're gonna go ahead and open these up real quick just so you can see. This will be fun putting back together. There's a lot of little pieces here too. Ooh, a lot of tiny little pieces. So I'm just going to leave these little ones in here. There's a little banner. Okay, so this is a nice, oh, it's nice and thick. You hear that? These are nice. Very sturdy. Double-sided. So it's not just white on the back. I love that. Intricately die cut. Looks like they might be laser cut. There's little parts that may not have come out. Those are easily just pop those out if they didn't come out all the way. That's beautiful. I like this clock. Woodland friends. I'm not going to show the backs on. The backs are the same. The back's this beautiful leaf design. Be wild, be clever. Little tickets. See this one. The world is yours to explore. This is great to add little eyelets, buttons, brads. You can add a ribbon through this one. Little banner. I like the little banner piece. A few of those. You make my world happy. This looks like a little keyhole piece. Little frame. Little bird accent, bird shape. Little banner. Oh, here's the key. Oh, just beautiful. Now you can use this in the pink or the green side. Bunnies here. Birdies. There's a lot that you get in this package. This is just wonderful. I'm so thrilled that they came out with these die cuts. Just love it so much. Okay, so that concludes our video today. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. I'd love to hear your comments below what you think. Again, check out that link below. It'll take you to my shop. Simply enjoy it all. That's beautiful. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more of these types of videos from me, please let me know. I would love to hear from you. This is my first one doing a walkthrough of a collection. I hope you've enjoyed it today. And thank you so much and have a great day.